Hi, I'm John, from Dartech Information Technology. I'm going to introduce you the most efficient, flexible and versatile software to manage your business at every point. I'm now introducing you Dartech. It was made to provide the computer system to perform special functions beyond the basic operation of the computer itself. This is designed to help various company to manage its business in accordance and to meet the satisfaction of a company. Development Accounting Resource Technology, Dartech, is an affordable, easy-to-implement, complete business management solution. Designed to ensure company growth, helps increase profitability and control, and automates your business processes. This total solution comprises all the core functions you need to run your growing business, including administration and payroll, financial accounting, banking, sales, purchasing, customer relationship management, stock control, and reporting. Managers and employees alike can process information more effectively, helping them make sound business decisions. Through a single system, business owners and managers can now get on-demand access to a valid and unified illustration of critical. Let's start with the overall appearance of the software. On the upper left side, this is where you can see the current company you're into. In the upper right side, this is where you can see your current logged-in name. Switch user, change password and log out. It is always important to have a secure account and password. You can manage to change the color appearance of this software by simply clicking on the Layout Style button, and you can choose different colors provided by the software. It all matters to you and very easy to customize. In Dartech software we have three important applications to discuss: the master, accounts and the stock system. Having a customized ERP solution means that alterations are made out of the box ERP solution in order to perform and fully utilize a specific function or process that is unique to that business, which then acts as a contributing to the overall competitive advantage of the business. Good thing about the software is, you can add unlimited number of locations involved to your business transactions. It can also be tagged as active or inactive. This is one of the most important used of this software. Herewith you can see all the associated banks to your business transactions and can be modified and identified through your set bank code. And in this section, you can customize the area information according to the business and or company's need. This where it allows specific costs and or accrual items within a cost center to be defined. Manage your business with confidence, whether you need to automate conversions for transactions or need to report in multiple currencies across the globe. Everything related to managing multiple currencies is automated in Dartech to save you time and increase accuracy. Dartech uses up-to-date exchange rates to create your currency conversions and revaluations. Dartech is a complete integrated system for supporting the planning and control of personnel activities. It supports the representatives in reaching their goals. It also ensures easy access to all data required for the representative's target, current sales and other information. With Dartech you can maintain comprehensive information about your vendors including payment terms, shipping address, contact information and more. It is easy to create new vendors and establish their opening balances. Same goes with customer section. Good thing is, the opening balance information about each customer can be configured easily at the time of customer creation. A narration is a description that explains why a posting is made to an account. Once you have set up a narration you may want to modify the details of the narration. At any time you can modify the details of a narration. You can give a general description about the details of the transaction through narration. In-vendor setup enables you to generate inventory reports for individual products. These reports may consist of opening stock, initial price, remaining stock and modified price. Chart of accounts is a view of the names of the accounts that your company requires to manage its books of accounts. Dartech sets up a simple chart of accounts for each company you create, but you have to modify it according to your needs and legal requirements. For each company, chart of accounts signifies the way to classify the accounting entries. In account creation, this is where the assets, liability, equity, expense and revenue are located. You can assign an account code to each activity. The chart of accounts contains the account number, account name, and the information that controls how an account functions. This feature can be used for having a detailed balance of each accounts. Dartech helps you maintain real balance across the branches of your business. All you need to do is choose which opening balance to consider at the time of synchronizing master data. The feature also gives you the option of overwriting variations in the opening balance. By doing this, you can eliminate confusion caused by multiple opening balances and also improve inventory accuracy. Any money received from debtors against sales invoices and for all transactions, where money is received are accounted or entered into Dartech using the receipt voucher. Same goes with payment voucher, used to account all the payments made by the company by way of cash or bank. You can pass an entry using the invoice mode where the calculations can be automated and the transactions can be fed into the system easily. Journal vouchers are used to adjust the debit and credit amounts without involving the cash or bank accounts. Hence, they are referred to as adjustment entries. Dartech's display of information is designed to allow a user get the maximum benefit of the data that is entered. A user gets a holistic picture of the data and is also able to present information using different options. The purpose of compiling data is to present it in comprehensible accounting reports. On entering the vouchers, Dartech uses the same data and provides you with the management control reports in addition to all books and statements. Stock groups in inventory are similar to groups in accounting masters. They are helpful in the classification of stock items. You can group stock items under different stock groups to reflect their classification based on some common features such as brand name, product type, quality, and more. Grouping enables you to locate stock items easily and report their details in statements. Stock items are classified into stock groups to reflect their classification based on some community. Specify whether it is a primary group or a subgroup of another group. Dartech has this feature by selecting from the list. Stock items are purchased or sold on the basis of quantity. The quantity is measured by units. Hence, it is necessary to create units of measure. In this software you can have simple units such as numbers, meters, kilograms, and pieces or compound units. Store is the core of stock item. This is where items are stored. You can monitor the location-wise movement of stock. Stock item refers to goods that you manufacture or trade. It is the primary inventory entity and is the lowest level of information on your inventory. You have to create a stock item in Dartech for each inventory item that you want to account for. This is where a list of constituent items along with quantity details that can be allotted for the manufacture of a certain product, byproduct or likewise. This facilitates immediate reduction in stock of the item automatically. This process of listing the items that make up another item is made possible and tallied by enabling the bill of materials facility. Retailers usually have long-standing relationships with fixed vendors. You can use this business process to determine an optimum vendor using the request for quotation. The business sends out RFQ to the vendors and the vendors respond back with quotations with prices. The quotations received, including the prices and conditions, are entered in this function. A comparison statement can be obtained for the RFQs for which rates were quoted by the suppliers or contractors. When the order is placed with the suppliers for the supply of goods, the items, quantities, date of receipt and more details are given with the purchase order number. Later, when these goods are received, the purchase order is tracked for the ordered details either in the receipt note or in the purchase invoice. Purchase invoice is the bill that your supplier sends you for products or services delivered. Here you accrue expenses to your supplier. Making a purchase invoice is very similar to making a purchase order. Order information is available at your fingertips, from the sales quotes through the shipping process, including order status, scheduling details, inventory availability, shipment tracking, invoicing and more. Optimize your profit margin with an efficient and accurate quoting module. Ensure you have all the tools and information to manage your shipments and meet strict shipping requirements on time and under budget. This is where we enable outstanding visibility of stock levels, giving instant, up-to-date answers. This is coupled with features in stock control that allow direct management of forward allocation and distribution of stock, and expected shipment dates, which are critical to maintaining customer satisfaction levels. You to save time and improves responsiveness. The high level of integration found within the Dartech system provides end users with the highest level of visibility into materials transactions within their enterprise, and assures the accuracy of the data relating to the inventory within the warehouse. The main function of HR module is to maintain employee data such as contact information, attendance, salary details, performance evaluation and several other important employee details. The HR module stores and manages all employee information from application to retirement. Same like as in designation, this is where we identify employees in accordance with their designation. This will provide an additional level to classify the employees in according to the country. This is where we classify individual employees based on nationality. Good thing about this software is, employees can be grouped as per their religion. The system facilitates the user to define loan granting criteria such as the length of service required, maximum amount, recovery period and more. The approval process will pass through the workflow, and once the loan is granted, all necessary accounting entries will be passed by the system. Other bonuses, benefits and reimbursements in addition to the employee's salary are recorded in this function. In addition to standard and country-specific leave types, the system provides flexible functionalities for the following leave-related areas: absence distribution, advance leave payment, leave passage, ticket entitlement, maternity leave, military service for Emirati, preventing leave provisioning during employee probation. A more detailed breakdown of a pay grade in which specific pay steps within a group exist. This is where we used to define and group employees into their salary and pay-related groups. They are especially useful for managing complex groupings of employees in highly structured work environments, where industrial relations-related employee groupings and definitions are required, and also for employee populations where salary bands or grades are utilized. In this software we used to define a specific area of economic activity for which a collective agreement is valid. According to the federal law of the UAE, an employee, to be entitled to receive a gratuity, should have completed 1 year of continuous service irrespective of the contract type, limited or unlimited. Dartech now supports calculation of gratuity as per the prescribed rules and regulations of UAE. Labor law in the United Arab Emirates stipulates that end of service, EOS, benefit calculation is based on the service duration in years that an employee has worked for an organization. The system calculates EOS benefit based on the number of service years and the basic monthly salary of an employee. An employee type provides an additional level to classify employees in a logical manner. Employees can be classified based on function, department, location, cadre, designation and various other parameters. In Dartech, all the necessary information of the employees can be recorded in the employee master. Apart from general information, you can also enter payment, statutory, expat and contract details of the employees. Payroll accounting in Dartech involves calculations of employees' salaries and deductions. It also undertakes the activities such as preparation of reimbursements, maintaining the payroll records, etc., allows your business to effectively and efficiently process payroll in-house. Eliminate duplicate data entry, as time and payroll information is entered only once and seamlessly shared in Dartech system. Your organization can easily manage complex payroll accounting requirements and process paychecks and direct deposits correctly on time, every time. Use a variety of calculation methods for employee benefits, earnings, and deductions, while easily keeping up to date with the latest changes in the requirements. Using a completely connected system allows you to centralize the information required for compliance with government mandates and keep proper records for proactive defense against any employee litigation that involves compensation. Every business has unique processes and needs, but ultimately, every business needs technology with comprehensive business functionality that ties the entire enterprise together, connecting all the moving parts and providing better visibility into operations. Dartech offers integrated solutions that help businesses operate more effectively and see the big picture, so they can make strategic decisions that keep them efficient and profitable. To get more information about Dartech, you can call us through our hotlines, or visit us personally at Auriga Road, Dira, Dubai. Dartech Information Technology.